You looking at an old crack like on pot skillet. I use burn my smoker in. That's my smoker. Just a can. Drill some holes in the bottom. Drill a hole in the top. Little screw. Get your lid off a can of any sausages or potted meat, so you can close this hole off. I'll show you that in a minute. This is a smoker. I use this to smoke my clothes when I'm hunting. I'm going in the wood. I use it to smoke the hooch out this time of year. I'll come in here and I'll open the doors and build a smoke in this and let it smoke them out and get all the bugs out. Then I'll close the hooch up and I'll give it a good spray in and go outside. Let everything settle down. And I ain't got no bugs, because I'm not going to sit in here and slap mosquitoes. That's why I screen this rascal. That's a smoker. And I smoke, I use rich lighter in here. This ain't for smoking meat. Yeah, you could use one if you wanted to. I reckon, to smoke meat, but not with rich lighter, because it tastes like turpentine. But anyway, that's a piece of rich lighter. What we're going to do is we're going to light this lighter up. And you see how it does when you try to, see, that's very hard. That's rich lighter. That's fat. Watch what it does when I stick that. God dog it. That's good for my knife. Anyway, we're gonna put a little heat to it. And as you can see, it is firing up quite well. And what you want to do is you want to get it good, let it burn, let it get a good burn going. Let it burn well. You want it light, because when you go to stand it up in this can, you want to make damn sure it's gonna burn. It wants to burn on this side, see? Once you get that knot hot enough on there, you see that stripes in there? That's all turpentine. That's sap. Drop him in there. Close the fire off. Just open it a little. And watch the smoke come out of that rascal. I reckon y'all can see that smoke coming out of there. They're gonna put out some smoke. Ooh, in the camera. It's a smoking, y'all. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this camera off and bring this thing in the hooch, smoke myself up pretty good here. And I'll be back here shortly. And y'all, this is to be continued. Old Talker from the woods.